Hello, Sula here from MistyHilltops.com. Thanks for stopping by. I have another very quick card making video in which I'm using the digital version of the collection Winter Market by Carta Bella to create a winter themed thank you card. I'm starting with a background pattern paper that fills up most of the card base, and then on top I have a little kind of a square with a lightly patterned contrasting pattern paper that goes across there, and then another strip of paper that goes across on top of that. This card is available as freebie cut file on my blog MistyHilltops.com. If you're interested, you can go over there, check it out. There are lots of freebies, not just card making, but lots of different kinds of freebies, so feel free to check it out. Here I have the sentiment is from a die cut label, and then I have a die cut snowflake that I'm using there as well, and that is my card done. I'm going to leave you with some more close-ups. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and consider subscribing, and have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.